Now I'm showing you how to make another art and craft. So, you're gonna need this. Your favorite pink colors. I used purple, now I'm gonna put yellow. And now you need green. Now you need blue. And now you need a credit card, anyone like this. And then you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. Now look, isn't that cool? I have all three like that, and I'm gonna slide it like that. In 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna try again to make a rainbow slide. There we go. Now does this look cool that I made? Bye! Then another tech using paint. Using tape. See, here I'll put tape around, and now I'm using paint. You can use any paint tape you think you want. And you can do any pattern you want with the tape. See how much I did? Now I'm gonna do on top here. Make sure there's no more white. Now we take off the paint. I mean the tape. And now I'm gonna leave my scrunchie right there. And now I'm gonna take off the paint.
The tape.
Tape. Slowly, slowly, slowly you do. Wow!